Welcome to the Vocab School by Manu and Tinku. Our aim is to enhance your English vocabulary by introducing one new word daily. Let's see what word we are learning today. Word of the day is vigorous. In this video we will learn its origin, form, literal meaning and practical usage. So viewers, let the learning begins. It is time for a little history lesson. Let us discuss the origin of vigorous to give our viewers maximum knowledge of the word. The word vigorous has its origin in late Middle English and is derived from the Middle French word vigorous, which comes from the Latin word vigorous. Vigorous is related to vigor, which means physical strength, energy or vitality. Leave a comment if you enjoy learning new word every day. Moving on to the form of vigorous. Vigorous is an adjective, meaning someone strong, healthy and full of energy. Like we say, a tall, vigorous and muscular man. For your knowledge, an adjective is a word naming an attribute of a noun. What do you like most about the Vocab School? Do leave a comment. Moving on to the literal meaning of vigorous. What do we know? The literal meaning of vigorous is having or characterized by physical strength, robustness or intense activity. It describes something or someone that is strong, energetic or forceful in action. So we learned the origin, form and literal meaning of vigorous. Now it is time to learn the similar and opposite words for vigorous. These are important words, because not only they help understand the word better, but add valuable words into our vocabulary. Here are some similar words for vigorous: energetic, robust and strenuous. Some opposite words like lethargic, feeble and sluggish. Do leave a comment if you know more words. We cannot learn a word if we do not know how to use it in our daily life. To understand the practical usage of vigorous, here are some examples. Give the cloth a vigorous shake to get rid of all the dust. Or, he enjoyed a vigorous old age. Or, he was advised not to take vigorous exercise for a week. Thanks for watching. If you learned the word of the day, please do not forget to like, subscribe to the Vocab School and follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Happy learning!